Good morning, guys. Today I am repeating the problem related to the differentiation. Okay. At the top of the page I have written the basic formulas. D over dt t की power n gives you n t की power n minus 1. D over dt c gives you 0, where c is the constant term, and d over dt c t की power n gives you c n t की power n minus 1. Okay. D over dt t की power n is differentiation of t की power n with respect to time. Okay. Now your problem starts. The displacement equation of a particle is given. Y is equal to 5t square plus 3t minus 5 meter. Here t is time and y is a displacement. Okay. Part A. Find the initial displacement of the particle. Okay. We have to find the initial displacement of the particle. It means we have to find the displacement of the particle at time t is equal to 0 second. Okay. So first of all we will try to rewrite the displacement equation, which is given y suffix t is equal to 5t square plus 3t minus 5 meter. Right. Put t is equal to 0 in the above equation. We have y0 is equal to 5 into 0 ka square plus 3 into 0 minus 5 meter, which gives you y0 is equal to minus 5 meter. Right. Now moving in the part second, you see you have to find the instantaneous displacement of the particle at time t is equal to 1 second. Okay. Again put t is equal to 1 second in equation first. We have y1 is equal to 5 into 1 ka square plus 3 into 1 minus 5, which gives you y1 is equal to plus 3 meter. Okay. Now in part C you have to find the instantaneous velocity of the particle. Okay. You know instantaneous velocity of the particle is the differentiation of instantaneous displacement with respect to time. Mathematically Vt is equal to d over dt yt. Right. Okay. Now put the value of yt. We have Vt is equal to d over dt 5t square plus 3t minus 5. Now d over dt will go to each term, 5t square, 3t and 5. So your expression becomes Vt is equal to d over dt 5t square plus d over dt 3t minus d over dt 5. Okay. So your first term is like d over dt c t की power n. Here c is 5 and n is 2. Okay. Here 5 is a constant term, so it can be taken out from the integral, from the differentiation. Okay. So this is 5 d over dt t square plus 3 d over dt t and d over dt 5 is 0. Okay. Because I have stated earlier d over dt c is equal to 0, where c is a constant term. Now solving, Vt is equal to 5 into 2t 2 minus 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 0, which gives you Vt is equal to 10t plus 3 meter per second. Right. So this is your equation number 2. which is the instantaneous velocity. This is simply known as velocity. Okay. Now moving in the part D, we have to calculate initial velocity of the particle. Okay. For initial velocity of the particle, what we have to do, put t is equal to 0 in the expression Vt is equal to 10t plus 3. You see V0 gives you 3 meter per second. Okay. Now moving in the part E, we have to calculate instantaneous velocity at time t is equal to 2 seconds. Put t is equal to 2 seconds in equation 2. We have V2 is equal to 23 meter per second. Now moving in the part F, we have to calculate the instantaneous acceleration of the particle. You know, instantaneous acceleration of the particle is dv over dt, which is the differentiation of instantaneous velocity with respect to time. A is equal to dv over dt. Now put the value of A, put the value of Vt in A. A is equal to d over dt 10t plus 3, which gives you A is equal to d over dt 10t plus d over dt 3. A is equal to 10 dt over dt plus 0, which gives you 10. So A is 10 meter per second square. You see here acceleration is time independent, so it will remain constant throughout the motion. In the part G, you have to calculate the initial acceleration. Okay, you see the acceleration of the particle is 10 meter per second square, which does not have time. So for any value of time, either it is 0, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, your acceleration would be same. Okay, so A is equal to 10 meter per second square. So A0 would be 10 meter per second square. In the same manner, you can see in your last option, you have to calculate instantaneous acceleration at any time t is equal to 1, 2 or 4 second. Okay, you see time independent acceleration, so the value of A1, A2, A3, A4 would be 10 meter per second square. Okay, so guys, go through this problem again and again and do some more problems. Okay, in this problem we just only use 2 or 3 formulas of differentiation. Okay, d over dt x, d over dt t की power n is equal to n t की power n minus 1. Okay, and I have already explained the formula. Okay, so please go through this numerical again and again and do some more problems. Okay, like that. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.